When you talk, you are only repeating what you already know. But when you listen, you may learn something new. Said by Dalai Lama. As a human, we have a tendency of listening less and speaking more. Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Sara. Welcome to the Communication Skills series. Active listening is an important component of communication skills. It is very important to listen what we hear. The difference between listening and hearing is when we hear the different sounds or noises like the sound of an aeroplane or honking sound, etc. All these falls under hearing. But listening is when we listen actively and participate, and also we reciprocate. So I'll give you an example of active listening. Supposedly we hear hundreds of songs in a day and we enjoy the music. But when we are sad or when we feel low, we listen to the music and we relate to the lyrics of the music with our situation. Yes, that is an absolute example of active listening and relating our situation with the context. Another example of active listening can be like we are in a discussion with someone and we visualize ourselves in the situation and we relate it. Now, as we know that active listening is an important component in any conversation, let's use these basics to be an active listener. Number one, do not interject. Interjecting someone else while speaking may sound a bit rude, so avoid interjecting someone when they are speaking. Number two, be open and neutral. It is very important to be open and neutral when someone else is speaking. This shows that you are very welcoming and you need to avoid being judgmental when someone else is speaking. Number three, be active and participate. You may ask open-ended questions. This shows that you are very curious in the discussion and you are very actively participating. Number four, sum up the discussion by the end of the conversation. This shows that you are again very much interested, and this also ensures that you and the other party are aligned by the end of the discussion. Number four, look into the eyes. It is very important to look into the eyes of the person. This again shows that you are in an active discussion and you are very attentive. Number four, nod your head whenever there is required. I hope the given tips would be very useful for you and you have watched and listened to my video very carefully. Thank you so much for watching my video. Your friend Ankita Sana signing off.